guys, we will sing the book of the
Old Testament.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, and Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah,
Job.
Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah and Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, Jonah, Daniel, Hosea, and Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, and Micah, Habakuk, Nehemiah, Haggai, Zechariah,